Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best robot window cleaners 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best robot window cleaners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Ecovacs Winbot W2S Omni Robot Window Cleaner is an advanced solution designed to make window cleaning safer, faster, and more convenient. Featuring a powerful auto-clean system and a multifunctional station, this intelligent robot takes the hassle out of maintaining spotless glass surfaces in homes and offices. The robot utilizes the triple-nozzle wide-angle spray system that evenly distributes cleaning solution across the glass surface. Combined with strong suction power and optimized cleaning patterns, it effectively removes dust, fingerprints, water stains, and other common debris, leaving windows sparkling clean. The included multifunctional station enhances user convenience by providing easy storage, charging, and maintenance support. Safety is also a top priority, with multiple protection features, such as secure suction monitoring, backup power support, and a durable safety tether for added peace of mind. Ideal for large windows, floor-to-ceiling glass, mirrors, and smooth surfaces, the Ecovacs Winbot W2S Omni delivers professional quality results with minimal effort, making it a smart addition to any modern home. Number 2. The Ecovacs Winbot W2S Window Cleaning Robot is an advanced solution designed to make window cleaning safer, faster, and more efficient. Featuring intelligent edge-to-edge cleaning with innovative true-edge scrubbers, it effectively reaches corners and edges to deliver a thorough, streak-free finish. The robot uses 3 wide-angle water nozzles that evenly spray water across the glass surface, helping to loosen dirt, dust, and stubborn stains for superior cleaning performance. Powered by advanced WinSlam 4.0 navigation technology, the Winbot W2S intelligently maps cleaning paths, detects window boundaries, and optimizes movement for maximum coverage and efficiency. Whether cleaning large glass panels, frameless windows, mirrors, or glass doors, it adapts seamlessly to different surfaces. Safety is a top priority with the Winbot W2S. Its comprehensive 10-level safety system includes strong suction power, anti-slip protection, intelligent obstacle detection, backup power support, and a durable safety tether to ensure secure operation at all times. Combining smart technology, reliable safety features, and powerful cleaning performance, the Ecovacs Winbot W2S offers a convenient hands-free way to keep windows crystal clear with minimal effort. Number 3. The Tosima W5 Window Cleaning Robot is a smart and efficient solution designed to keep your glass surfaces spotless with minimal effort. Featuring an impressive 6,400 PA maximum adaptive suction power, this robotic cleaner firmly attaches to windows and automatically adjusts its suction strength for reliable performance on different glass surfaces. Its advanced auto-spray system evenly distributes water or cleaning solution, helping remove dust, fingerprints, and stubborn stains for a streak-free shine. Equipped with intelligent navigation technology, the Tosima W5 carefully maps its cleaning path to ensure thorough coverage while avoiding missed spots. The robot is suitable for a variety of smooth surfaces, including windows, mirrors, glass doors, and large glass panels. For enhanced protection, it includes a triple safety system consisting of powerful suction, a safety rope, and backup power support to help prevent accidental falls. The included remote control allows users to easily start, stop, or customize cleaning operations from a distance. Combining powerful cleaning performance, smart navigation, and multiple safety features, the Tosima W5 offers a convenient and time-saving way to maintain sparkling clean windows throughout your home or office. Number 4. The Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni is an advanced portable window cleaning robot designed to make glass cleaning faster, safer, and more convenient. Equipped with a powerful multifunctional station, this innovative device not only stores the robot, but also provides charging capabilities while working, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning performance for larger windows and glass surfaces. The robot's powerful suction system keeps it securely attached to vertical glass surfaces, providing reliable performance on both indoor and outdoor windows. Multiple safety features, including backup power protection and a durable safety tether, offer additional peace of mind during operation. Ideal for homes, apartments, offices, and commercial spaces, the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni delivers professional quality window cleaning with minimal effort. It is the perfect solution for maintaining sparkling clean windows without the need for ladders or manual scrubbing. Number 5. The Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Window Cleaning Robot is a smart and efficient solution for keeping your windows spotless with minimal effort. Designed with advanced cleaning technology, it features a powerful 3-nozzle wide-angle water spraying system that evenly distributes water across the glass surface, helping remove dirt, dust, fingerprints, and stubborn stains more effectively. Equipped with WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, the Winbot W2 Pro automatically maps and optimizes its cleaning route for maximum coverage and efficiency. Its steady climbing technology ensures stable movement on vertical glass surfaces, while advanced edge detection sensors allow it to safely clean framed and frameless windows without missing corners or edges. Safety is a top priority with the robot's comprehensive 10-level protection system, which includes multiple safeguards against slipping, power loss, and accidental falls. The convenient app control feature lets users start, stop, monitor, and customize cleaning sessions directly from their smartphone. Ideal for homes, apartments, offices, and large glass surfaces, the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro delivers professional quality window cleaning while saving time and reducing the need for manual labor.